I am in complete control of my financial destiny. I am worthy of the highest levels of financial success. I am surrounded by an abundance of money. I am grateful for the wealth that flows into my life every day. I am a magnet for financial miracles. I am confident in my ability to create unlimited wealth. I am attracting wealth by being true to myself. I am open to the infinite possibilities of wealth. I am aligned with the energy of prosperity and success. I am financially empowered and in control of my finances. I am a money magnet, and opportunities to prosper are everywhere. I am attracting wealth effortlessly and joyfully. I am worthy of all the richness life has to offer. I am grateful for the abundance that surrounds me. I am open to the flow of money in my life. I am a magnet for financial success and good fortune. I am manifesting wealth and success in every area of my life. I am a magnet for positive and lucrative opportunities. I am open to receiving wealth in expected and unexpected ways. I am a vessel of abundance, and prosperity flows through me. I am aligned with the energy of prosperity and success. I am worthy of all the wealth and success that comes my way. I am a conscious creator of my financial reality. I am a magnet for financial miracles. I am attracting wealth with every positive thought I think. I am open to receiving money in ways I never thought possible. I am in control of my financial destiny, and I choose abundance. I am grateful for the unlimited abundance that flows into my life. I am attracting wealth effortlessly and gracefully. I am worthy of financial success and prosperity. I am a magnet for financial opportunities, and I seize them.